High Court judge questioned factual inconsistencies in Prince Harry's explosive witness statement in his latest battle with the British press. The Duke of Sussex claimed for the first time on Tuesday that a secret agreement between the royal family and news executives stopped him bringing his phone hacking claims earlier. But Mr Justice Fancourt said that this new evidence was troubling him, as it contradicted his original argument that he couldn't sue before 2019 because he didn't have the knowledge of the phone hacking. New Group Newspapers, NGN publisher of The Sun and now defunct News of the World, is fighting to strike out the cases brought by Prince Harry and actor Hugh Grant, saying they should have brought them earlier. They've argued that Harry was at the epicenter of the scandal and argue that it's fanciful for him to suggest that he didn't have any knowledge of phone hacking before he brought his action in 2019. The Duke of Sussex responded by submitting a 31-page witness statement where he alleged it was in fact the existence of a secret agreement with NGN, approved by the Queen, that prevented him from bringing claims. He said that the royal family agreed to not pursue NGN until after the group's legal battle with other hacking claimants ended. The royals' claims would then be quietly admitted or settled with an apology. NGN denies that this deal ever existed. The Duke, who watched on by video link, says he was first told of the agreement in 2012 and only brought his claim in 2019 after growing frustrated with NGN filibustering on the deal. But Mr Justice Fancourt yesterday questioned how Harry could simultaneously state he didn't have knowledge before 2019 to bring a claim, but also that he was prevented from bringing a claim in 2012. He said, "Another thing that's troubling me is what appears to be a factual inconsistency in the current pleaded case about the way the Duke of Sussex didn't have the knowledge before 2019 to bring a claim, and your proposed amendment which seems to say he would have brought a claim in 2012, except for the secret agreement." David Sherborne for Harry insisted he'd brought a claim in 2012. It would have been totally different, but the judge shot back, "I'm talking about the factual inconsistencies in the way the case is pleaded." The judge also questioned why Mr Sherborne had suddenly introduced this new evidence without making an application to submit it to the court. Any hopes of reconciliation between the Prince of Wales and the Duke of Sussex at the coronation of King Charles now lie in tatters after a bombshell allegation about a secret £1 million payment. Prince Harry is the royal family gift that keeps on giving. His bratty rants against his family have dragged on for 3 years now, following his and wife Meghan's trashy Megxit exit. So what would a week without a trash-tastic Harry truth bomb be like? The world may never know, as it's now been revealed that Harold has dragged his brother into his war against the British press by claiming the future king has quietly settled a phone hacking claim for a very large sum. Anthony Hudson, representing NGN, said that there was no such secret agreement, but Harry alleges that claimed the deal was made so that the royals could avoid having to sit in the witness box and recount the specific details of private voicemails. According to him, they were incredibly nervous about this and wanted to avoid it at all costs, following the damaging Tampon Gate call intercepted between Charles and Camilla in 1989. Wow, Harry sure knows how to throw his family under the bus, doesn't he?